Eggs are a nutritional powerhouse that offers a plethora of benefits for your health. They are a rich source of high-quality protein, essential vitamins, and minerals. Eggs are one of the best sources of complete protein, containing all the essential amino acids your body needs to build and repair tissues. They are packed with essential nutrients, including vitamin B12, riboflavin, and selenium. These vitamins and minerals play vital roles in various bodily functions. Eggs contain lutein and zeaxanthin, antioxidants that promote eye health and may reduce the risk of age-related macular degeneration. Choline, found in eggs, is crucial for brain development and function, making eggs beneficial for cognitive health. Eggs are known to provide a sense of fullness and can aid in weight management by reducing overall calorie consumption. Now, let's explore how you can double the benefits of eggs. According to latest research, you can double the benefits of eating eggs by incorporating them into more nutritious dishes and cooking them in healthy fats like olive oil or animal fat. Here are some ways you can cook eggs to maximize its benefits. 1. Egg and vegetable scramble. Combine eggs with a variety of colorful vegetables like spinach, bell peppers, and tomatoes. This not only enhances the flavor but also adds fiber, vitamins, and minerals. 2. Egg and cheese omelet. Adding cheese to your eggs not only enhances their taste but also contributes calcium and additional protein. 3. Egg salad with olive oil. Make a nutritious egg salad by mixing hard-boiled eggs with olive oil, which provides heart-healthy monounsaturated fats. This combination is a flavorful and healthy choice. Eggs in animal fat ghee. Cooking eggs in ghee-clarified butter not only imparts a rich flavor but also provides healthy saturated fats. It's a popular choice in many cuisines and can be a delicious way to enjoy eggs. Incorporating eggs into these dishes and using healthier fats like olive oil or animal fat can significantly boost the nutritional value of your meals. By doing so, you not only enhance the taste but also maximize the benefits of this versatile and nutritious food. Don't forget to like and subscribe to get more useful tips and information.